Lambert.
Did you catch me off guard? Eh?
Yeah.
You should wait till me ready for you.
I know I want to start it so. First we just arrived in Mandeville.
Right?
There with Lambert.
Yes.
And
So-
everything go. Meet up some old friends.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Lambert.
Did you catch me off guard? Eh?
Yeah.
You should wait till me ready for you.
I know I want to start it so. First we just arrived in Mandeville.
Right?
There with Lambert.
Yes.
And
So-
everything go. Meet up some old friends. And you have Kaya.
Let's
See there. See the people, you know. They have the national hero CMA. All living hero. Me and him make a flex come to Mandeville. Link up some friends, some old friends, and we have Chubby Ras.
You don't know a thing already. You see,
Is it?
Jamaica is on valley.
From Jamaica Hills and Valley.
Yeah, man.
So people you can check out YouTube channel and always hear me talk about Jamaica Hills and Valley. And now I talk about Chubby Ras. So this is Chubby Ras. You know, a good friend of mine. You know, cause you don't know said all we are coming from Jamaica good life. You see me right now they are going to live life. You see me and Chubby there back on the island. As I say man, you can check out the channel man, whole heap of positivity, you know, a lifestyle about the country.
You see?
You know, you say Islam Valley. Out there with the big chef Lambert. Who don't know about Lambert yet and this program. You know, I don't know now. You know, I'm one of the biggest chef this right now in Mandeville, Lambert. Well, most of them know him still because them watch a couple of the video them when I was in Jamaica.
Them call him Lammy, the girl them fish and Bammy.
Yeah. They say Lammy.
You can go check out the bar, man.
Yeah, so this is Lammy. And this is Lammy place. So you say I'm Lambert. But you say we can highlight the place so them can see. Because you book for guests as well, you know. So this is where me and Ira stay tonight, you know. We're there one night or 1 day in. It's not a holiday in. It's a 1 day in. So we have the kitchen section, you know, as one say, we're not gonna say Lambert cooking. You see me? We have a little chill spot. And you also have the bar spot. So I'm gonna take you inside if you can see the bar. It look like a uptown with there. The bar is bossy. Yeah. Yes, Lambert, I like it. The last time I come down here, there's a lot of changes now.
Yeah.
From before. See here. Nice man. So this is Lambert, you know.
Out in Fairfield Mountain.
Yeah, in Fairfield Mountain. Well, enough of them know your face, enough of them know you from the past program. So we used to do from Jamaica Good Life.
Alright.
And most of them know that this is the top chef, Lambert. No joke, chef, you know, because you got to taste some food. You know, big up the wow chef and big up the Zaga Zaga Zao. If I big up our chef, them see me, you know, big up yourself, you hear me. But so today now we're going to learn something from Lambert. You know, see my people, so today.
Show them the outside.
Yeah. So you have the outside as well too. So this is from the outside. I would say we are in Mandeville, Fairfield, Manchester. Come tell me what's going on, Lambert. Tell me what's going on, Lambert.
Right now you're there at Fairfield Mountain, in Manchester. Around 5-10 minutes from Hot Street.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you're coming from Mandeville, you make a right at Hot Street and it's about 5 minutes up.
Okay.
You see, this is a beautiful, calm place. You see, we have roads that nobody else have in Jamaica. What you crying for?
Yeah.
Road.
First world country road.
Yeah, very quiet and nice. We love it like that around here. We try to keep it that way, you know?
Yeah. Because it's so quiet, me have an ear pop. You know, like in the plane.
Yeah.
You see me, I get an ear pop there, I get around here.
So on Friday nights now we have fish and lobster.
Yeah.
Fish and lobster, we have conch. We're gonna start crabs. Yeah, we have a good gathering and the Kobe gonna give us a problem now, but like they lift it and put it to 9. You see that the people coming back now, you know? So that's about it.
So what's normally you have on the menu when the guests them arrive?
Seafood.
Seafood.
We have conch, we got fish, we got fried fish, we got steamed fish, we got roast fish. And then we got conch, we got stew conch soup.
Yeah.
Curry conch, curry lobster. Anything you want to come in, you gotta order first, sit, have a drink, or they sit down and relax. Yeah. And you can eat until your food cook. Yeah. No smoking. This zone is for no smoking.
Well, in this bar,
in this bar right here.
No smoking.
Because everything here is very central to me. You know? So, these two have a story right here. Okay. And they have a good friend of mine, young boy about 22. And he built his house at 22. And what happened is this, that I was in America and he called me and said, ready for the house opening, and I'm coming home. And I said, what you want for me to bring for you, boy? I'm going to bring something for you, for your house opening. And I choose a chandelier. Oh. And he said, no, I want you to buy me a chandelier. No, he said, I'm going to buy you a house opening. I never tell you a gift. I never tell you what it was. I said, oh, yeah. He said, okay, I want you to buy me a chandelier. That was what was in my mind, because I didn't see one for myself. So I went and bought this, just get mad, because he didn't blow me away. And I bought these two pictures. I bought these two pictures right here. Alright? I gave him this one. And I take this one for me. For myself. Put it in my house. He lived from New Jersey in America. he go to Florida, Tampa. He leave from Tampa, come to Jamaica. At least he leave from Brooklyn. You can get it right. Brooklyn to New Jersey. From New Jersey to Tampa, and Tampa to Jamaica. This one with me. I just bring this one home to him, and this was inside of his house. And what happened to him is that, like about a year after he built his house, his best friend killed him in the house. That was something else. So this was sitting in the house for about 24 years. And I take this one home with me, 2008. So when I start to put the bar together, I decided I'm gonna frame it. When I frame it, this one look good. So I went and looked for his son and tell him, listen, I'm gonna give you some money, you do something with it, put it into his house where he live in, and he gave me this picture. He said, take it because they always say it belongs to you anyway. So I take it and frame it. So these two have been with me for about 23, 24 years. Alright?
Yeah.
1982, I went to America. This was in the white man house, the Jewish man house. That's my mom worked for, take care of the white man. And when I went here, my mom take me to visit the white man in the chair. And I look at that and I always love it. What happened is this, when he died, they allowed my mom to get the apartment, because it was a bigger apartment for us. So they leave it in here. My mom retired and come and live in Mandeville here, down in Mandeville and bring it home. And when my mom passed off, I take it. That is about 30 years old now.
Wow.
Older than me.
That's about 30 years old. You understand? This is the chandelier that I bought for myself. It was a bigger one. And I bought one for my friend. So this has been there with me about 27 years.
27 years?
27 years if you look at it. The way it is. So a few little things in here is very essential to me. Like those, that picture there, I got it like 1989. It was a pier. And then one break. So a few little things here is essential.
Yeah.
And here it is now. Like this unit come from my mama's house. So I just break it down, make it become what it is. And what happened now is I go along now and design how I want the bar. Have a piece of board up here. I just go ahead, board, and build a drop light in it. You see? So you're right over the counter.
Yeah. It's a nice idea. And it worked.
Yeah, it worked.
And
you know?
I imagine you can put this on the market as well for sale.
So go through my phone, listen to soft music and love music, pop up on those pictures.
Yeah.
You know? And if you see, you can see that it's totally romantic pictures inside. Clip it on my phone, take it to my neighbor, let them take it out of my phone, put it on pictures, frame it, put it up there. Blue Lagoon. This one is from Blue Lagoon. Got a friend down in Blue Lagoon, Ringo. He take us on the boat ride. So he gave me this, and so I put this inside. So a few little things here is just from having it. No use for it. Not say no use, have it just put on for after 12 years.
It's very sentimental.
That's a point. And so I just designed this bar to be somewhere adult can come, youngsters can come, but the behavior gotta be there. You know, I try not to encourage the slackness that goes on with the younger generation, and I find out that even some of the younger ones, they fly up in maturity age, you know. So you know, let older people know how to feel comfortable around them. And so we set this bar. Yes. Look.
Okay, sir. It's a Kaya one.
First example.
First example.
Yeah, in the district. I don't care what nobody say. To me, I don't know about the other people, but to me, I think it's a first example. You know what I mean?
I heard them Kaya, so heads up. So people, this is Kaya. And I'm tell you about Kaya.
Come on, don't hide, man. Chicken, come in, man. Come, where me man now? Come in.
Alright, chicken shy. Alright, chicken.
Here is chicken.
Chicken,
very hard working young man, you know.
Big up yourself, chicken.
You know what I mean?
What kind of work you do? So you're all purpose, you're handyman. So if I call you for build a house, I can build it. Yeah?
You know.
Yeah. We are calling for come build some house in a church town. Yeah? Yeah.
So, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna start prep for dinner tonight.
Yeah, so
Alright?
what we have for dinner tonight?
We're gonna have steamed fish.
Yeah.
That's mostly my favorite. That's steamed fish. We're gonna have some lobster with some pineapple and mango.
Wow.
Splash pan. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cook it and we're gonna put it on the table, set the table.
Yeah.
And then you can take a good picture of it.
Yeah.
Then you guys can just dive in, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
Enjoy it, alright?
So we're gonna take them on that journey.
Alright, good.
So cooking with Lambert, you know, as I say, one of the wickedest chefs this, I mean, you know, hero, you know, taste it yet. You know, but you see when time you taste it. It's them get it already. Because me I tell you, the last time I tasted man have fried fish, you know, man. Cheese and the lobster, you know.
So I'll go for the fried fish. No fried fish?
If you want fried fish, you can.
Yeah, so we can mix it.
So we're going to alright?
Yeah.
I'm going to go on a meal and I eat that.
Yeah, man, so we're going to take them up on the journey with Lambert cooking right now, so I'm going to see, you know, why I'm a the chef, and I'm going to see how I'm handling things.
Alright.
Yeah, man. So as I say, big up on yourself, all viewers. You know, with Chubby Ras, Jamaica Hills and Valley. As you can see in there, I've been videoing already.
Yeah.
So check it out, Jamaica Hills and Valley for YouTube. You know, so this is Lambert place, you know. In the bookings and everything. So Lambert, come give me one contact number there. Cause you know, just in case if anybody want to inquire.
Alright. 1876 506 6702.
Yes, I'll repeat it again. So it's
1876
yeah
506 6703.
yeah, and that's
Alright.
Lambert.
That's my number.
are, chef?
Well, did that about what, 15 years, 15, 20, about 20 years.
20 years.
Yeah man, 20 years, 12 years. When I consider myself a chef, when they give me a restaurant for myself, you know.
Oh.
It would be like another restaurant but a cafeteria.
Oh, in the state?
In the state.
Okay.
They give me one for myself.
Yeah.
A couple of lawyers are responsible for, you know, lunch, breakfast and dinner, and sometimes they have their party.
How them say about it?
Nah, they enjoy it, man. The funny thing about it, they ask me to curry chicken for them.
Okay.
You know, you're cooking curry chicken for them, you can't put any bones in it, so it's all meat. You know? They did love it, you know. Something different, you know.
Most man. Until I see the first time you eat your food, I say, yo, fish.
Yeah.
You see me, most of the viewers them will know me from Jamaica video.
Right.
The video when we do video when we on the beach side. So don't you see alligator pan?
Alligator pan?
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember that time?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are around it.
Yeah.
Alligator pan.
Yeah.
And you have chili when you're down there getting another flower.
Yeah, man. Like earth here, you know?
Yeah.
So you got pumpkin, sweet pepper, you got plantain, tomato, ginger, ginger. I have some carrots, got onion, got potato, got okra. And let's get everything in it. Some crackers and things.
Yeah.
Pull up. I don't. Wash it good.
Yeah.
Everything must go, yeah?
Yeah.
Wash it right, you know, I'm nothing to worry about.
Yeah, so here over there, so I play some domino with Chobiras and Cara. You know, so they are pass through, man, they will come check our old friend. You know, coming from way back. Way back. You know, a long time, they don't wait for me for coming, you know, long for come. Every time because through the work so much.
Yes, man. See how do your thing, man.
Yeah, so the work kind of have me out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta say the first thing I get a little break now. So you know what, let me come check you know before Chubby Ross go back. You know, a long time to come check you.
Yeah, man.
There again and there come catch somebody special.
Second time, alright.
So all my viewers, all my donors, you see, right now we are taking up on the journey with Lambert in the kitchen, you know.
Yeah.
One of my favorite chef, you know, we got the Wow Chef, and we got Zaga Zaga Zao. You see me I say, the dream team chef them. Yeah. So right now they're in a mandeville now where I see Lambert who are the champion chef. So Lambert, you have to come Trenton and do a cook off in my kitchen, you know.
It's not wrong, man.
Yeah, we'll cook some food for the elderlies then. Give them some of them special, yeah.
Arrange it, you know?
Yeah, we can give them some of that special, man.
Okay. See, I do a lot of good, man, you know?
Yeah.
People can't help themselves, you have to out, you know?
Yeah, sure.
It is really nice.
I'll tell you. Otherwise, yeah. I don't know, so someone have to do it.
Have to eat.
Yeah, someone definitely have to do it. You know, nobody no do it.
Yep.
People in my there and see them go through the same separation.
Separation, man.
But no human being is supposed to go through.
Ah, boy.
No human being. So, you know, we got in the midst of everything. Yeah, everything will definitely be alright, boy.
Yep. Yep, brother. Put in your work. Put in your work. Work about nothing. Yeah. Like when you start from scratch and build a thing, boy, you know?
Yeah.
And you build it nice.
Right, yeah, give thanks.
Yep. Nah,
Right, for the purpose, we have to serve it. Yeah, run from the purpose. You have to live for the purpose, yeah.
Yep. This is the carrot now. And then next one we go to Christopher. I slap you.
You don't play with those Puerto Ricans, man.
Not with this.
See there, it's looking. That pepper look good, Lambert. Look like it cooked already.
I'm ready for eating it.
And press out the frying on the side. So when all the girlfriend come here and check your Lambert, them nice.
Yeah, man. I'm a Canadian family and American family. Then. You know, so some days leave Saturday last week before last Saturday. They got some leave, went back home. And, maybe in the next month and a half, I suppose to have my Canadian family coming.
Okay.
They come here staying with me for about a month and a half.
Okay.
Patrick and Dolores.
Okay, Patrick and Dolores. Yeah, I'm Jamaica good life days.
Yeah, when they come the last time.
Yeah.
And it's been a long time they're coming back again.
Yeah.
So I'm looking forward to have them soon. Alright, when we reach. This is later on.
Fine, I reach. So this is the Manchester pine.
No, it's in Lisbon. I think this come from our south. Named South.
Give thanks, thanks.
Yes, sir. See this now? Right here? I'm gonna boil it. Make the juice, and use the juice to make the gravy.
Make the juice.
Yes, juice to make the gravy with that.
So what's that now? Mango?
Mango.
So you have cook down the mango too as well?
Mango slice upon one side.
Well, the one you knew.
Yeah, that's my thing. And people can catch on to it and try it at home now.
Yeah.
There's a couple of them I have. But the other one, if I put it fixed in the meal, I wouldn't show it like this, but the recipe and everything. Like this now, or this goes straight and don't worry about it, you know? They would see the beginning and maybe see the middle part and then they see the end. Yeah, they would see the complete thing, you know? Because I know, I say, let me give away this one. People want to try it home when they see it now.
Yeah.
We never eat that yet.
Yeah.
I wonder how that tastes, you know?
Because right now, yeah, give them that one here.
Yeah, I'll give it that one.
With the pine and the mango and egg.
And the recipe and everything.
Yes, the recipe is steamed fish and lobster. No, not bad. What kind of mango you use?
Julie
mango. Viewers, you see, I want to know about Lambert cooking. So this is Lambert cooking in the first hand, you know?
Yeah.
We experienced it already. So it's not that we have to experience it again.
Yep.
Pine.
The pots them are dirty, the pots them ain't dirty.
Oh, them are there.
And there's their own original pots them, you see? This one, hanger, break off, still using it. The more it burn, the more it cook the food tasty.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, see? It's like a signal, you know? More fire upon it, more food. More fire, more food. Everyone of our country have this. A dirty pot in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And if you don't have a dirty pot, the kitchen is not a kitchen.
It's not a kitchen.
Yep. How about you have?
Okay.
Yeah.
Something different, you know?
Yeah, take it there, man. Alright.
Yeah.
And
Something different.
it's all light up. I'm gonna eat something and then I'm gonna take this over. Alright, go there. Bye bye. Alright, we're ready now. So we're gonna go with the carrots first, which is the hardest of all. It's a pepper get away from me.
Everything happened at one time?
One time. Mashed potato, which is the second hardest.
Okay. So you put in the one that will take more longer to cook first.
Yeah. So it's the next hardest.
Go to the next hardest.
Let you cook for a couple of seconds, you know?
And go to the kitchen.
Put a little pumpkin first there. Pumpkin is soft, but you want it to be a nice yellow color. So you put it in and let it cook. And these pumpkin I'm gonna crush out and help make a nice base for the fish.
Yeah.
Alright.
Nice base.
Alright. So I'm gonna close him.
You want to simmer down a little bit.
You want to see my dear. You got that right. lobster sauce with ginger, pineapple, and mango.
Oh, the lobster.
That's how we go over the sauce. The lobster sauce.
Number special.
You bad, sir? Anything bad, sir? Try it. Try it. You bad, sir? You have a problem, though. Ease up. This one. Take time with this. Now send this. Should be not right enough. One man. Can't know me name on tree.
Brown it. And we have to roast it.
You make a grill on the head, you know?
Yeah, grill it.
You're grilling me now. So you got your bland in there, you're grilling me now one time, you kick him out in this, come right out, you know?
Yeah.
You get all your meat.
It's looking so lovely. Yeah, the flatten there.
Yeah. Ah, no, it's a wind down. Put it.
Yeah. Lambada.
Get something good on this, you know?
Yeah. Lambada. Like cooking. It's time to cook. So it's fry and grill.
The fish there. Take them out before they cook right through.
Okay.
Put them on 95%. And then you cook them by themselves.
Also cook by itself.
Now you see the joke it. See the water run out of it.
Yeah.
Nice and, you know, then down, you know, dry out, you know what I mean?
Lambada special, you know? Yeah, that's for them ready now.
I hate that now. Getting down there, you know?
Getting down
Yeah,
there.
so if you look, you see all the fine skin and everything, so nothing waste.
So that's a pine skin.
Yeah, even the mango
And
seed.
the mango seed
Yeah,
inside it.
yeah, and the mango, the meat of the mango gonna go in last, like soft.
Yeah.
Like right down to gravy when it's supposed to go right down.
That'll go on the
Yeah,
lobster.
man. Yes, put up in the lobster, you know?
Yo, this is a master class cooking. You know, like with the mango seed inside it,
Yep.
pine skin, you know, with okra and the crackers and the gravy, you know, the sauce to go right on top of the lobster.
Yeah, go right on top of the lobster, you know? Yeah.
Very beautiful, you know, like.
Get in there.
It's almost there.
Yeah, man. Nice same fish.
And the fish again.
Still coming from it. Nice report. No problem.
So.
Why don't you do it? Good.
Yeah, so I'm not ready for gravy now, but you know, so alright then, you know, so.
Next 5 minutes.
Yeah, see, man. Landlord has said to man, them can manage, them can more than manage. Bad dog.
That's how conversation as well is key.
Yeah.
And you kill it.
Presentation. Oh. Yeah, man. Presentation looking lovely. I don't like Landlord. Let's say the president, then you have to cook.
Yeah, this look real good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the way it look, you know. Yes.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiro Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.